Hello, hello, beautiful people. We have come to the end of the road. This is our last week together. I'm going to give you a wonderful preview for next week, starting on Tuesday, because remember, Monday is a holiday, Memorial Day, yay for us. And so here's what the game plan is. First thing I want you to do, please, is to take attendance. That's why it's at the top of the list. Check that off your list. Let's please try to have that done by 3 o'clock p.m. And then there is your checkup for 8.4 to 8.5. It's two questions. I'm allotting about 30 minutes, but it shouldn't take that long. If you need a head start, you can get a head start and start at 11:30, but I will not accept it after 12:30. So please, please, please get her done. Make some arrangements if you have to. Other than that, the next thing I want you to do is the book assignment. This is going to be due at 2:30. I put it on there. There's six problems on there. I say that it should take about 30 to 50 minutes. I probably think it's maybe going to take 30 minutes at most for many of you. But you can start it. You probably could have started it anytime that you wanted to. This has been posted for a while. There's going to be Zoom help available from just kidding, from 1:30 to 2 o'clock. If you need it, come in or just stop in and say adios. Um, and then after that, last thing I'd like for you to do is going to be a reflection on your time here in Alg2 Honors from this year. It's in Desmo, so it's going to seem like it's kind of different, but you're going to be using graphs and whatnot to tell me a little bit about yourselves and how you did and how you feel about how you did this year. And then that's it, you guys. We're coming to the end of the road. I'm quite sad about it. I'm going to miss you guys. I already miss you guys because haven't seen you in for so long. But I hope you're well. And please, please, please carve out time from 12 to maybe 2 o'clock on Tuesday. Remember, we're pushed back on Tuesday. Have a good day, beautiful people. Thank you much. Appreciate you. Bye bye.